in the next 10 or 20 minutes, please stay for the whole thing because I'm about to reveal the entire secret. And obviously, I can't explain it all in a 10 to 20 minute video, how we get our trading Discord clients to 103K per month plus. But what I'll do is I'll break down our entire funnel. So you'll literally see all the secrets we use to scale trading Discord stupidly fast. And then I'll send you to specific videos breaking it down further so you can get even faster results. All right, so let's get into it. So this is some proof. This is just one of our clients, 103K. To be honest, I couldn't be arsed to go get more proof. But if you go to the page, it's going to be the second link in the description. You can see basically all of our proof. And if you look at our channel, there's a ton of different case studies on all the trading Discords we've scaled that we're allowed to talk about. All right, there's some massive ones that we can't. So let's start with the top of funnel content / ads. So if you're new to the channel, you've seen me or Louis talk about this a lot. By the way, my name's Andy Pham, co-founder of Business Grower alongside my partner Louis Band. We both run this channel. So if you click onto the channel, you see both of our faces, watch both of our videos. They're all insane. All right. But in fact, like 2 weeks ago, it's going to be the third link in the description. There's going to be a video basically completely breaking down the way we do content, the educational style we do. Actually, I'll leave in a card up here as well that basically can get a shit ton of impressions, but also attract the right kind of audience. So you'll see here, let me circle it. So a lot of our clients, Colin here has his 3-step model. So he's tying that into his videos, and you can see they're all chart content where he can explain very technical stuff with his face attached. All right, so same thing with Ryan. So you'll see him, he's talking about his ICT strategy, which is IFVGs. So you'll see his CTA to lead magnets here. You'll see his videos about how I pass the top step challenge using IFVGs, 4 stages of becoming a profitable IFVG trader. This one IFVG setup causes you losses. All right, so it's very important that it's educational. You can explain something very technical. Your brand is attached and you have your specific unique mechanism attached, and that will 5x your conversions top of funnel. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I'll mention again, third link in the description, full video breaking down that entire content, plus I'm going to break down, or I or Louis is going to break down an entire viral trading content checklist that you can steal for free to make sure all of your videos get at least 1,000 views. Our clients average around 5, 10, and then some of them just blow up to like 1 million. Alright, so if you've already watched that, or you're already getting a stupid amount of views on social media, and you're actually targeting the right audience, so not beginners, you're not posting lifestyle content, because you might get 1 million lifestyle views within like a month or so, it just won't convert to sales because you're not attracting the kind of audience that is also interested in trading and interested in anything about your unique mechanism at all. All right, and that's what achieves sales. So if you've already watched that video or you've already achieved success in that area, next video you need to watch is about the ManyChat automations. There should be a video, once there is a video about the sales page or the link in bio page. It's going to be the 4th, or I don't know, just go to the description. It's going to say like sales page training or something. But what's super important from your top of funnel is you either watch the ManyChat automations or the CTA video, which will be down in the comments or down in the description as ManyChat / CTA videos. That's basically going to teach you how exactly to set up all the automations we have, how to tie them into the dream result so that they actually convert, how to tie them into your unique mechanism and everything so that you can get people, you can collect their email, you can collect their phone number, you can get them into the Discord, whatever. And if you haven't heard of me talk about this already, you're going to get your 711 for. All right, and if you don't know what that is, click onto our channel. You'll find a video called the Authority Ascension Funnel, how it's generated 100K plus per month for trading Discords or something like that. It's me actually in this shirt. Watch that video because that will teach you a lot about how marketing actually works and how our funnel systemizes the entire buyer's journey. All right. But if you've watched that video, you'll actually see that there's honestly no point building out your ManyChat automations or your pages if you don't have solid lead magnets that are tied into your unique mechanism. All right. So this is an example of Ryan's lead magnets. It is tied into his IFVG. So this is actually an IFVG setup rating guide. So he basically rates all his IFVG setups, whether it's A+, whether it's A-, whether it's B+, B, whatever. And we'll teach you. and that absolutely killed. All right, he got probably 10,000 Mofu traffic, so about 10,000 emails plus more than that within a week, and he added about 30k MRR within the 2 or 3 weeks after that. All right. So that is how important a solid lead magnet is. That will be in the description as well. It'll probably be called Lead Magnets Training, or just the title of the video. It'll be very clear that it's about lead magnets, all right? So give that video a watch after you're done training your top of funnel content, your ManyChat automations, and you've watched the sales page / landing page training. Get this lead magnet shit down, all right? So now for the rest of the funnel. So now there's actually a lot more, all right? But what you've done so far, you're only 5 minutes 45 into this video. I hope you've written down the videos you need to watch, but now you've attracted the correct and a large audience on social media. You've pulled them into your Mofu, so you've collected their email, you've gotten them in your Discord, whatever, through the ManyChat automations, through the lead magnets actually tied into your unique mechanism and the dream result, etc. Now what you need to do is grab those people, nurture them into a sale, all right? And the way you do that is basically this whole process right here, and I'll break it down for you real quick. Now this system, while I am going to break it down, just to be clear, it's hard to break down, all right? Because the issue is, it's not like a certain, they go through the email automations and they go through the free community and then they go through the long form nurture funnel. All right, it's all kind of one massive nurture web. All right, that's why I call it. You'll see me in shorts. By the way, if you haven't followed our Instagrams, they're in the description. Just go to the description, follow all of us. I don't know, I'll give you a cookie or something. All right, but the way this works is that when you collect their email from the lead magnets and when you get them in the Discord from the lead magnets, what will happen is you will have your long form, your short form, and your lead magnets, by the way, all linked into these email automations, linked in the Discord, etc. So basically it's kind of one big cycle, but a cycle that's massively interwebbed. All right? So it's kind of like some nurture Aikido. So from whatever traffic source they find you from, they will go through your lead magnets, they will give you their email, they will join your Discord, and from there they will watch your long form, watch your short form, claim more lead magnets, just massive value that you keep throwing at them to build trust and authority in your brand, in you specifically, and you are their guy. All right. So for a lot of you watching, if you've been watching this channel for a long time, me and Louis are your trading Discord marketing guys, right? And it's just because we've given so much free value out there that you guys now think of us as, I mean, to be honest, we are the only people doing this, all right? So you're justified in thinking that. But throughout this entire nurture web, what will happen is that they are sent to this free trial / other Godfather offer. What that means is it's an offer just so incredibly good that people feel stupid saying no. So in most cases, we use a free trial, all right? So if you're interested in this system and how you can completely automate it so you don't have to do any sales, really all you have to do is build out this top of funnel and maybe make some more lead magnets, send out content, tie lead magnets into it, and then this part's completely automated for you. It's going to be in the description. I think Louis made a video called Automated Trading Discord Marketing or something, or I'll probably break it down into how to do the emails, how to build out the free community, and then how to do the long form nurture stuff. All right. And then the offer, this should be pretty clear. And all this high ticket stuff and the ads we'll build out later. But for now, if you want to get to 103K per month or 100K plus, these genuinely are the only pieces of the funnel you will need. And then on the inside of this, we have onboarding and win back churn sequences. So after they churn, the win back onboarding sequence, that's pretty obvious what that is. So if you're interested in that, that'll also be in the email automations video. So just go give that video a watch. All right. But from this video, if you take one thing out of this, all right, it's to go watch another video on whichever piece of this funnel you think you're missing. 99% of you, by the way, watching this video will be missing fucking all of it. So you're targeting on top of funnel. You're probably missing a way to actually get them into your middle of funnel. You're missing the lead magnet to actually give them value. You might be putting your WAP link in your bio or just being like, oh, join my free newsletter, join my free Discord, right? There's no value in that. You're not standing out. You're not unique. There's no unique mechanism attached to that. So not only is it hard to get people in your free Discord, but once they're even in, you're still a generic cunt. All right? So pick one of these videos, watch them, and you will start exploding your trading community. All right? So please, like, I'm not even just saying this so that you watch more of this. I'm literally saying, like, please, because we get so many questions on our short form in our free community about how to do all of this. There are YouTube videos, all right? So they're all in the description. Go choose one and watch it if you own a trading community. Otherwise, you're trolling, all right? Retire your mother. Go do it.